Hi guys, it's again I said back with another banger. Now today, I made egg and bread and it is so good. I don't eat egg.
But it definitely tastes good.
And I made mummy. Hold on 1 minute.
Hi guys. You good? Okay. Alisa said something at Nursa. 2 things then, like about 3
Your
things.
cousin not here with me.
He wants to come back.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the mummy. I'm gonna taste it.
Try. Okay.
Oh my god. I
It tastes
don't
so-
drink mummy. I swear to god I don't drink mummy. This tastes so good. This tastes like my... Oh my god. Normally my aunt and them don't make it good. Oh my god.
Could that taste
I said I was gonna make the egg for my brother, but
Please can I have one taste? That thing is tasting so good. You know, yeah? Like, so you know it will taste absolutely good. Nice dish.
Like talk to.
So guys,
Don't drink this.
so guys, hi, that's my sister. You know that? She's so the best. You wanna get? I said, and then, yeah. It's like the best tastiest thing. You know, guys? Yeah.
Okay, so later we are going to be staying up until morning. So I'll tell you guys when I'm done eating. So first I'm gonna eat and then I'll come back to you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, I am done eating. So yeah.
I'm back, guys. So I just finished eating as well.
So like I was saying, we are going to be staying up until morning. And whoever fall asleep the longest, whoever fall asleep, lose. Whoever stay up until morning, wins. Who win? Yen? Yen?
And yeah,
But we could do whatever we want.
Yeah, but we can do whatever we want.
don't break any cake, eh?
We could do whatever we want. You hear that? So guys, like I was saying, we're not gonna sleep now. So when we go sleep, I'll put you guys back on and you guys will see everything. So from now on, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye, guys.